Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Leonardo AI to generate and edit stunning AI images. By the end, you will know how to create high quality AI images, use custom settings for better results, edit and enhance images with AI canvas. Let's dive in. First, go to the Leonardo AI website and sign in using Google, Apple, Microsoft or whatever you have or email. Once inside, you will see the homepage with featured AI models for image generation, recent community generated images. To explore more, open the community feed to copy prompts from authors, download royalty-free images, use images as a references for new creations. Want to find your own work? Hit to personal feed. To start creating, go to AI image generation. Here is what you will see: a prompt box. Type what you want to create. Settings on the left to customize your image. Once you type your idea, hit generate, and Leonardo AI will create it. Let's talk about token system. Free users get 150 tokens daily. Paid plans offers more tokens and premium features. If you want more realistic or cinematic images, enable photoreal mode for realism, alchemy mode for high quality detail. For better results, tweak the settings on the left. Image variations set to 1 or 2 to save tokens. Prompt magic makes images more accurate to your text. Public or private images, paid users can keep images private. Through image dimensions, adjust size and aspect ratio. Then guidance scale, higher values make AI follow your prompt more strictly. Need help with writing prompts? Click improve prompt for suggestions. You can also choose the right AI model, absolutely reality, best for realism, dream shaper, fantasy and artistic images, stable diffusion for versatile and all-purpose model. Click on a generated image to preview or download it. Then remove the background and upscale resolution up to 2K pixels. For deeper edits, open AI Canvas. With AI Canvas, you can upload images from your device, overlap multiple images, use Sketch tool to draw over images, and add text with custom fonts and colors. Now let's talk about inpainting and outpainting for image fixes. Want to modify an image? Use inpainting and outpainting. Select the area to edit, enter a new prompt, and hit generate. If the result is not perfect, try erase tool to refine the mask. Merge details from multiple images for seamless blending. Once done, download your final image in PNG format. That's how you create amazing AI images with Leonardo AI. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.